Here comes trouble, putting on a show, like a domino, I fall.
The truth is, old school cleaning tools are hassle. Here, whether you agree or not, it's the truth. The mop bucket is heavy and gross. The vacuum tangles up with hair. And those traditional robots, they miss the corners every time. It's time for an upgrade. Something smarter, stronger, and totally hands free. Meet the YEEDI M14 Plus. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's the future of floor cleaning.
Leave me lonely, I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go, leave me lonely, I'll show you another way.
Starting with what sets it apart, a mopping system that doesn't just wipe, it scrubs. The YEEDI M14 Plus features the OZMO Roller, a self cleaning high speed scrub system that tackles floors at 200 rotations per minute, from coffee stains to tomato jams. This roller mimics manual scrubbing but does it automatically. The mop washes itself mid clean so no streaks or dirty watermarks are left behind. Auto water adjustment fine tunes every mop pass, no overweighting, no puddles. To be specific, there are 4 steps to this self cleaning scrub system. Spray clean water. The roller is sprayed with clean water to start the process. Self cleaning wash. The roller self cleans 200 times per minute to stay fresh. Third step is squeeze dirty water. A scraper squeezes out dirty water, preventing cross contamination. Finally, suction up dirty water. Dirty water is sucked up and the cycle continues. The result? Clean floors that dry instantly. No stickiness, no waiting, just smooth, spotless surface. The Osmo roller doesn't just mop, it scrubs, refreshes, and resets floors with every pass. Paired with powerful mopping is equally powerful suction and brush design. Under the hood, the M14 Plus brings serious vacuum power, 18,000 Pascal to be exact, strong enough to lift dust, long strands, and even stubborn debris lodged deep in carpet fibers.
Putting on a show.
The Zero Tangle 3.0 brush eliminates one of the biggest pain points in vacuuming, hair wrap. Long strands pass through cleanly without tangling or jamming. No scissors, no stopping to clear the brush mid clean. This setup stays smooth from start to finish. Designed for real home with real mess, from shedding pets to snack time disasters. Well, these days I've noticed that when people review a robot vacuum cleaner, talk most about the suction power or how it wipes or something like that. But I think we need to be real. We need to talk about this. Yeah, coverage and navigation is as important as the suction power and scrubbing power. And yeah, I'm not that surprised to see that YEEDI M14 Plus comes with a very good advanced coverage and navigation. Corners and wall edges are fully covered with TruEdge 2.0. The side brush and roller extend on demand to reach into tight spots with precision. No crumbs missed, no buildup along baseboards. Have you heard it? Have you seen it? That's really a very important thing for me. What about you? Aren't you gonna enjoy this feature too? Please share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. Well, let's continue. With an ultra slim body, the M14 Plus slides under beds, couches, and low cabinets without getting stuck. It goes where upright vacuums and clunky robots can't. Smart LiDAR navigation maps each room with millimeter level accuracy. Obstacles like cables, table legs, or toys are detected and avoided in real time. Cleaning paths are optimized with every run, eliminating bumping, rerouting, or confusion. Just clean, methodical coverage. Wall to wall, edge to edge. Okay, be real. We all want to have a hands free robot vacuum cleaner. And to tie things together, this YEEDI M14 Plus comes with a very good all-in-one station. Mop pads are washed automatically with 167 °F hot water, loosening stuck on grime and killing germs. After every clean, the pads are dried using 145 °F hot air, preventing mildew, bacteria, and odor. The station also handles dust collection with zero input. A powerful suction system compresses debris into a sealed dust bag, holding up to 90 days worth of dirt. No smell, no mess, no manual dumping for 3 months. That's quite a long time. Wastewater is kept separate to ensure hygiene. There is no need to refill, rinse, or monitor. The entire system resets itself, clean and ready for the next job. Yeah, it's true that in daily use, the system blends into life without disruption. The EDM14 Plus handles the mess without interrupting life. We can go ahead and do whatever we wanna do when the EDM14 Plus is cleaning the floor. It doesn't even make that type of noise. Truly, operation stays quiet, low enough to blend into the background. Cleaning happens independently without supervision or follow up. Floors are vacuumed, mopped, and dried all in one pass. No separate steps. Just complete unobtrusive cleaning that gets done without being noticed. Yeah, if you are tired doing everything manually, I mean, vacuuming, mopping, emptying bins, untangling brushes, then the EDM 14 Plus is the upgrade worth making. It scrubs like hands, vacuums like a beast, and resets itself without help. No dirt, no streaks, no stress. It doesn't just clean, it replaces the entire routine. Well, as usual, I have left a link in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But I gotta mention that I don't believe in affiliate links. I don't wanna earn from you. I'm here to share my honest opinion. So if you really wanna buy this EDM 14 Plus, you can buy it from anywhere. You don't have to buy it from my link, but as I prefer it, as I love it. So I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. And yeah, if this review helped, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.